Well, here we are at the Canterbury Home Show, one of two shows we run here each year at Christchurch Arena. Thousands of visitors inside already, and so many exhibitors who have come to get quality leads for their business. Let's go check it out.
Home shows are probably our easiest form of advertising marketing. The return on customer to quotes to acceptances is better than online advertising.
Canterbury Home Show is an amazing platform to give an exposure for our products, and it's a way we can get to the clients. So this is the one biggest platform in Christchurch that gives us a lot of exposure.
What we love here at the Canterbury Home Show is we really appreciate seeing everyone, talking to them individually and really understanding what they want to achieve in a face-to-face setting.
So this is the place where it all happens. Thousands and thousands of people through here with quality leads for your business. If you'd like to find out more about exhibiting, just get to our website, canterburyhomeshow.co.nz.